Hello, I am Professor Ashidasub Shinde, working as an assistant professor in NB Navle Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. Yes, continue with practical characteristics of op-amp IC741. So next practical characteristics, real characteristic is supply voltage rejection ratio, SVRR. Supply voltage rejection ratio, short SVRR. It is also called as power supply rejection ratio, PSRR. It is the ratio of change in input offset voltage. See here, change in input offset voltage, that is the delta for the change in delta VIO, input offset voltage delta VIO, to the change in input supply voltage, the delta V, it is a input supply voltage. It is the ratio of delta VIO upon delta V. What is that delta VIO? It is a change in input offset voltage to the change in the input supply voltage. It is a supply voltage rejection ratio or power supply rejection ratio. And for IC741, it is, that is SVRR or PSRR, it is 150 microvolt. 150 microvolt. Next, large signal voltage gain A. What is that signal voltage gain A, capital A? It is the ratio of output voltage to the differential input voltage, capital A is equal to V0. V0, it is a output voltage, and upon VID. VID stand for difference in input voltage. A is equal to, capital A is equal to V0 upon VID. Remember here, V0 it is a output voltage, and VID is difference in input voltage, it is a VID. And for IC74 is A, capital A is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5, that is the 2 lakh. It is a voltage gain, large signal voltage gain, capital A. Next characteristics, output voltage swing, that is the V0 max. What is exact is, if 26 volt peak to peak sine wave is applied at the AC input signal, then V0 max, that is the output voltage swing, is in between minus 13 volt to plus 13 volt. The output voltage swing indicates the value of positive and negative saturation voltages of op-amp. Output voltage must be a less than plus VCC and minus VE power supply. What is here? Output voltage swing is the 26 volt. What is the exact meaning of output voltage swing? It is must be a less than plus VCC and minus VE. What is the supply? Input supply at the terminals, 26 volt peak to peak sine wave is applied. Then output voltage swing, output must be a vary in between minus 13 volt to the plus 13 volt. It is output voltage swing V0 max. Next, output resistance of op-amp. For op-amp, output resistance with respect to ground is 75 ohm. Remember, Output resistance for op-amp, it is a 75 ohm. Next characteristic, slew rate. Slew rate. See here, slew rate. Slew rate is defined as the maximum rate of change of output voltage per unit time, and it is expressed in voltage per microsecond. Slew rate is equal to V2 minus V1 with respect to delta t change in the time, that is V2 minus V1 time, that is the T2 minus T1. So it is a derivation of change in the voltage dV0 upon dt. For IC741, slew rate is 0.5 volt, 0.5 volt for IC741 slew rate. Next characteristic, that is gain bandwidth product. Gain bandwidth product. It is the bandwidth of the op-amp when the voltage gain is unity. That is the A is equal to, capital A is equal to 1. For IC741, gain bandwidth product, that is the GBP, is equal to 1 megahertz. That is at frequency 1 megahertz, the gain of IC741, it is unity, A is equal to 1. It is a gain bandwidth product. Gain bandwidth product for IC741, it is 1 megahertz. Remember, it is for IC741 gain bandwidth product, it is a 1 megahertz. Next characteristic, input capacitance. Input capacitance for IC741 is 1.4 picofarad. For IC741, input capacitance is 1.4 picofarad. Next, power consumption. Next characteristic, power consumption. Power consumption is the amount of power that is consumed by the op-amp to work properly. It is the power consumption. PC is equal to 85 milliwatt. 85 milliwatt. It is the power consumption of IC741. It is amount of power. It is amount of power consumed by the op-amp to work properly. And for IC741, it is a 85 milliwatt. Yes, these are the practical or real characteristics of the op-amp. Total, here we studied 15 practical characteristics of the op-amp. Thank you.